Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your iPhone is on a supported iOS and Siri is enabled, because CarPlay needs voice access. Once done, power the Boss radio and choose the correct input or CarPlay source. Next, plug a certified Lightning cable into your phone and the Boss USB port labeled CarPlay or Smartphone. If your Boss model supports wireless CarPlay, prepare to pair Bluetooth and enable Wi-Fi on the phone before proceeding. You now move into activation. If wired, the Boss display should prompt CarPlay automatically. On your iPhone, tap Allow so the unit can access apps and Siri. For wireless setups, pair Bluetooth from the Boss, then accept the Wi-Fi handshake on the phone. This gives full CarPlay connectivity. Once connected, make sure the Boss input is set to CarPlay and watch the familiar app grid appear. If you want, set the unit to launch CarPlay automatically on next connection. Finish by customizing how CarPlay looks. On your iPhone, go to Settings, General CarPlay to arrange apps and set your preferred layout so you see navigation and audio first. Then test Maps, Playback, and Siri voice commands to confirm microphone routing and audio levels. If something fails, no connection, blank screen, or intermittent audio, start with one key troubleshooting step. Try a different certified Lightning cable and reboot both the iPhone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.